These remedies are completely natural, and people have been using them for ages to lighten their skin, so you can trust them to work. 1. Lemon juice is a natural skin lightener. Lemon juice has been a popular skin remedy for centuries thanks to its unique qualities. For example, once applied, it could halt the excess melanin production, which causes the dark spots. You can find many skin lightening recipes on the net, but I'm going to offer you 2 simple ones. Start by squeezing the lemon juice. Get a spray bottle and fill it with the juice. Add an equal amount of water. Spray the juice on the affected spot, avoiding any cuts or open wounds. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week. Alternatively, you can prepare a skin mask by following these instructions. Measure 1 tablespoon of lemon, tomato, and cucumber juice. Pour the ingredients into the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sandalwood. Mix the ingredients well until you have a paste. Apply the concoction to the spot. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Lemon juice takes time to work, so don't expect miracles after 2 to 3 times. You need to be consistent, but you should not apply it more than the recommended dose, or you risk damaging your skin. Also, avoid using undiluted because it can irritate your skin. 2. Potatoes reduces dark spots. Potatoes are rich in potassium, which is excellent for nourishing and moisturizing the skin. And second, they contain vitamin B6, which is useful for encouraging new cells growth. Potatoes have mild natural bleaching properties, so they will work wonderfully when in combination with lemon juice. For example, mash 1 potato in the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix a small amount of honey and milk. Mix the ingredients well until you have a paste. Apply it to the affected area. Wait 10 minutes. Rinse with water. Pat the skin dry with a towel. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. Alternatively, you can combine potato juice with honey. Get a potato and grate it into the bowl. Extract the juice. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Mix well. Apply to the dark spot. Wait a couple of minutes. Rinse with water. Pat the skin dry. Repeat daily until the patch disappears. If you mix potatoes and lemon juice, avoid sun exposure for a couple of hours. 3. Horseradish for radiant skin. Most people don't know that horseradish has skin lightening properties, which makes it an excellent choice to combat freckles, black spots, brown patches, and so on. Select a long horseradish, 4 to 5 inches in length. Peel it with a knife and then grate it. Measure half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Mix the grated horseradish and the ACV in a bowl. Stir and cover the bowl. Leave the concoction in a cool place for about 2 weeks. At least once a day uncover it to stir it. Strain the solution into the airtight container. Pour a small amount of the mixture into a bowl and soak a cotton ball. Apply the cotton ball to the affected skin. Wait for it to dry. Rinse with water. Repeat daily 2 to 3 times. 4. Milk for fair skin. The ancient Egyptians used it to prevent aging. Remember Cleopatra's milk baths? In addition to this, milk is a supreme source of necessary vitamins such as vitamin A and D. Milk also contains lactic acid, which is useful for removing any impurities embedded in the skin and blemishes. Measure 4 tablespoons of milk and pour them into the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix the 2 ingredients well. Get a cotton ball and soak it into the mixture. Apply it to the dark spot using circular motions. Do this for 10 minutes. Wait for the concoction to dry. Rinse off with water. Use a towel to pat your skin dry. Repeat daily. Milk and honey usually don't irritate the skin, so you can use them in this combination even if you have sensitive skin. 5. Almonds for healthy skin. Almonds are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E, which makes them perfect for nourishing the skin and keeping it smooth and silky. Used as an exfoliant, almonds are very efficient at removing these nasty brown spots on your body. Fill the bowl with water and add a handful of almonds. Soak them overnight. In the morning, use the mortar and pestle to crush the almonds until they turn into powder. Get an empty bowl and add the almond powder. Mix with milk until you have a paste. Use your fingers to apply the paste to the dark skin using circular motions. Rinse with water. Repeat daily. Alternatively, you can mix almonds with papaya, another fruit that contains bleaching enzymes and has anti-wrinkle properties. Soak the almonds in the bowl overnight. Crush them into powder using the mortar and pestle. Mash the papaya in another bowl. Combine the mashed papaya and the powdered almonds. Add a little water. Mix the ingredients well until you have a paste. Apply it to the affected spot. Repeat daily. What do you think about these 5 home remedies for dark spots? Have you ever used them for skin whitening? Do you find them effective? Share your thoughts in the comments.